To change lock screen wallpaper on the OnePlus Nord CE5, all you have to do is just to start by opening Settings, next move to the Wallpapers and Style, and over here select Wallpapers. Right now all you have to do is just to pick any wallpaper from this default wallpapers, like this. You can click on it and then click Apply. But also you can set a custom photo from your gallery by clicking on the album and selecting your photo. In my case, let's say that I want to get some kind of the live wallpaper. Let's check, for example, this one, or maybe this one. Let's check additional this one. There's some kind of the animation, but I think that I will go for this one. So click Apply to, and now select the lock screen. So I'm gonna also, you can also do this for the home screen if you want for sure, and you have to click Apply in the right upper corner, and as you can see the wallpaper has changed.